from strum the lute to grasp bird's tail. Empty step, weights on the left, pull down to the left, sitting step, 70-30 back, pull down, grasp bird's tail. Shift to the right, bow stance, press up, adjust the left foot, pivot on the heel. Slight turn to the right to wipe off. Shift to the left, roll back, sitting step. Shift forward, bow stance, press down. Weights on the right, turn to the right, left hand under, turn to the left, pivot the right hand on top, scissors hands. Shift to the left, wipe off. Shift to the right, slight turn to the left, shoulder strike. Keep the weight on the right, slight turn to the right, circle the wrists, bow stance. Shift to the left, sitting step, upward split, and shift forward to the right, bow stance, Tai Chi push. All right, and now facing the front, from strum the lute, weights on the left, pull down, sitting step, weights still on the left, 70% back, grasp bird's tail, press up, pivot on the left heel, bow stance. Slight turn to the right to wipe off. Shift and turn to the left, sitting step, weights back. Then shift forward, bow stance, press down. Keeping the weight forward, scissors hands, slight turn to the right, slight turn to the left. Shift to the left, wipe off. Shift forward to the right, slight turn to the left, shoulder strike. Keep the weight forward on the right, lower split, turn to the right, palms forward. Shift to the left, sitting step, upward split, hands come up, and push from the left, shift to the right, bow stance, Tai Chi push.